What up everyone, this is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows device not detecting headphones when plugged in. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is to go to your search bar and type in Device Manager until you see this pop up. In here, once you're inside of this, you're going to have this pop up and you're going to click into where it says Sound. And I believe, yeah, sound, video, and game controllers. So this is where your plugged in headphones are going to pop up. And whichever one it is, essentially, let's just use this game capture card as an example of it being it. So let's assume this is it. You right click into it. You can do a few things. First, you should always try to, if you see it pop up here, update the driver. If doing the update driver doesn't work, you can always uninstall it. Trust me, it's fine. You can uninstall that one or whichever one, even if you can't tell what it is, you can uninstall it, restart your computer, and then try again because it automatically essentially reinstalls them again. You'll see it at the bottom right saying, oh, this thing is installing. So you can do that and then just go from there. Once you do that, you should be good to go, and you should not have that error of it not being detected persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the thumbs up, get on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that MoTutorials out. Peace.